Hello everyone, let's see how to calculate personal loan EMI in Excel. So here you can see our data, loan amount, annual interest rate, and loan tenure. To calculate the monthly EMI, select the cell is equal to, type PMT, select the PMT function, then select the first annual interest rate, divide it 12, then comma, select the C2 loan tenure, then add asterisk sign, 12, comma, then select the loan amount and bracket close. So here in this formula, B2 divided 12 converts the annual interest rate into a monthly rate. And next, C2 asterisk 12 converts the loan tenure from years into month. And A2 is the personal loan amount. And here the one thing, add the minus sign before PMT function is equal to minus, then use the PMT function. So the minus sign display the EMI as a positive number. Okay. So after that, press the enter and it's done. Here the EMI monthly calculated. Okay. Then next, here I'm going to go to total payment is equal to, select the monthly EMI, then add the asterisk sign. Okay, then add the loan tenure, then add the asterisk sign, then 12, then press the enter, and it's done. Here's the total amount calculated. And next and last, the total interest is equal to, select the total payment minus A2 loan amount and press the enter. And here you see, here the personal loan EMI here calculated. You just enter the amount here when you want to take loan, anything, any amount. If you want to take loan 50,000 now, you just enter the 50,000. You see here the all calculated amount here quickly. So you can use this as a personal loan EMI calculator. So hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.